The sky stirs as a silent force rises. It moves with purpose, capturing a world unseen by most. As the horizon stretches, new perspectives unfold, revealing beauty in every detail. It's not just flight, it's a journey beyond the ordinary. Precision meets power, transforming the sky into a canvas of limitless possibility. This is the Air 3S. Vision unleashed. The journey doesn't end here. It's only just begun. Beyond the horizon, there's always more to discover. Every flight with the Air 3S, a new perspective. Every moment, an invitation to see the world anew. What will you uncover next?